Good morning, everyone. Welcome to IT project management lecture. Once the project scope statement is approved, you're ready to move forward. So our project scope statement is ready. So now we have to move with our project planning. And for that, we need to create work breakdown structure. This is a deliverable-oriented collection of project components. It is a categorization and decomposition of the project scope. So you need to decompose, break down your project scope. And when you're doing it, the breaking down the massive project into smaller and more manageable component. So we need to break down our scope in a way that we can manage those things. So you can see those things is very important. I need to be very clear to you. Work package is a work breakdown structure element. So you need to break down in a way that you will end up with work package, or we also call work breakdown structure element. Which elements you can call work package, which you can schedule, estimate the cost, and also monitor and control. So those four things need to be confirmed before you say, this is my work package. Number one, you can schedule it. Two, you can estimate the cost of that work package. And finally, monitor and control. If the four elements can confirm, you can say this is our work package. So for a new network establishment, we can say high-level deliverables are LAN, WAN, extranet, or internet. So those deliverables must be broken down into more small activities. So when we say work breakdown structure, it has 5 key activities: cost estimation, cost budgeting, resource planning, risk management planning. So under risk management, we have risk identification and risk assessment action. And finally, activity definition. When you work with work breakdown structure, you can see, for example, the software application that allows web user to research a database, which requires a scope, define deliverable, commitment of resources, and targeted end date. Okay. When the project, so within project, we have different project phases. For this example, a database project could have 4 phases: creation of database, creation of application, creation of web interface, and troubleshooting and implementation. So for database project, we could divide into 4 these phases. Now, the work within each phase is linked to our work package of work breakdown structure. For example, so create a database. It can encompass several work packages to require for the completion of that phase. And to create work breakdown structure based on the nature of the project, so it can vary for different project to project.
The Victorian Institute of Technology has other great videos covering many different topics. Please check them out, and thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe the video for more great content like this.